So greenhouse 2.0. This is actually the seedling hut. And dodging the T-post sprinkler. So it's not complete yet. But again, old windows. And the base of this is actually our old board and batten sun porch that was part of the house when we bought it. That was rotted and had ants, but we pulled it down and put tarps over it, and now finally have a use for it. So we've got on the north side one tin panel and one clear panel, and I'm not going to do rain collection on this one. And it's butted up against the chicken run, which I haven't done a video on that, but this is about 40 feet and probably 13 feet wide. And the Dominiques are still out, but everybody else goes in earlier than them for some reason. But yeah, reclaimed windows, board and batten on the bottom, which again was the half wall from our sun porch. Kind of built this wall out of just random battens or boards. Board and batten on this side, reclaimed windows. On the south side, we've got two clear panels, and kind of corrugated and went around the edge here. I still got to fill in the top, and I corrugated over here, and just gate hinges, which we repurposed from a compost bin that we had back in Massachusetts. Amazing that I actually could find the hinges and the hardware after, I don't know, almost 3 years. And I still got to fill on this side, and I can walk through the door, but it's a door that it's a metal skinned door, so we just used an angle grinder and cut it short. And I'm going to fill that hole and put a handle on it. But that's the inside. Again, not finished, but it's designed. The shelves are a little over 10 inches wide, so I can do 10 by 20 trays. I think I get 3 of them down this way. And then this shelf is 20 inches deep, so I can do 10 by 20 trays this way. And this is going to be another shelf up here. I'm going to use, I have vinyl coated chicken wire. And I'm going to put that as a shelf up here. And then I'm going to put another 2x3 running the length this way. So there's going to be shelves up top for 10 by 20 trays all the way around, and then a lower deck for 10 by 20 trays. And then I'm going to frame out underneath it down here and put shelves so we can store. We have random piles of buckets all over the yard, and planting containers, and 6-packs, and 3-inch pots, and 4-inch pots, and 20-inch pots, and 3-gallon pots. I got a lot of crap everywhere. So the idea of this little seedling hut is to get all of our potting plants, or pot plants, or plant pots, all stacked up. It's been a long day in the sun. All stacked up and out of the UV in some central location, and then up here be able to do all of our seedlings and stuff. I still gotta cut some poly panel to fit up there. And they're pretty lightweight construction. I mean, these are only 1x3s. But once the framing is all in for the shelves, and the top row of shelves is in for the other trays, it'll have a lot more rigidity. But even at this point, I don't think we're going to have any issues with snow loads on it. And then I got to get into the chicken run, and I'm going to use a long board and just secure this up against the side of the greenhouse, and then pull this T-post out and move it further down. So I got to do the rain fly on the back of the barn and just finish up that gutter and the vinyl siding over there. But those are other videos. That is the greenhouse 2.0 or seedling hut 1.0, and it's really close proximity to the other greenhouse, which we've got a soaker hose going inside there. Oof. And we got the cattle panel trellis put up between these two beds, but I'll do some videos tomorrow when the sprinkler isn't chasing me. Oh, I should get the cabbage in there real quick because it's going bonkers. There's the beefsteaks. There's the cabbage. And these tiny little, whoa, let me duck under that. These tiny little cherry tomato plants that got killed by a frost. I left the stumps in there because they were still green, and they're actually coming back. If I had other seedlings ready to go, I would have just yanked them out and put new ones in, but figured they're not dead yet. We'll see what happens. That's it for now.